Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lurk coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 10th edition of what is happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin down nearly 4% on the 24-hour, dragging the rest of the market into the red along with it. Although there are a few notable outliers to this. Neo up 6.3% on the 7-day, Verge up 60% in anticipation of very exciting news, as promised by the Verge team. Ontology continuing on a tear, up 79%. Bytum up 6.5%, Maker 6.6%, and Golem up 26% on the anticipation of the main net dropping soon. Over in Venezuela, Venezuela approves decree on the use of cryptocurrencies. This is, of course, mostly focused on the petro and the utilization of the petro. This is a project that has seen a lot of interest from other countries in the trading of oil. But when you look at what is written behind it, this is going to be giving President Maduro the ability to organize and issue and really control the petro. And considering his previous results on running the Venezuelan economy, I am very skeptical about how he will be running the petro cryptocurrency moving forward. Tim Draper, famous Bitcoin investor and man with great hair, comes out criticizing India, saying that they are making a huge mistake in blocking cryptocurrency. Of course, I couldn't agree with him more. India has a great opportunity and a great wealth of amazing minds in the country, people who really understand and do tech very well. And to block them from cryptocurrency will only set India back. So it's a very unfortunate turn of events and a good comment from Tim Draper to come out speaking against that. 3 more countries are planning to join the lawsuit, the joint lawsuit that is ongoing against Google, Twitter, and Facebook. So they are being sued because of the banning of crypto ads. So Russia, China, and South Korea were the first in the filing of the joint lawsuit. Now we also have Switzerland, Kazakhstan, and Armenia. Don't mess with Armenia, guys. Over in India, police officers have been charged in a $1.3 million Bitcoin extortion scheme. They kidnapped a businessman and forced him to hand over 200 Bitcoin. Wowzers. Watch out for those cops, guys. Theft by cop. Real thing. The Winklevoss twins are going to start offering cryptocurrency block trading on the Gemini platform. Now, block trading are off-exchange deals which allow big institutional investors to make big moves without messing up the markets. So this is going to be amazing for big banks, big hedge funds, big institutions to come in and buy up big amounts of the key cryptocurrencies without having any negative effects on the market on the day. Stanford, Wharton, and Georgetown expand Bitcoin business classes. Of course, some of the top universities in the US, unsurprising that they are expanding their Bitcoin classes. The interest in Bitcoin and blockchain technology from the younger generations is absolutely exploding. So really great to see that they are indeed popular and that they are expanding those to offer more knowledge to the upcoming generations. A US-based Nano investor files a lawsuit against Nano, demanding a recovery fork. So this, of course, is in reference to the lost funds due to what happened over on BitGrail. If this happens, if the courts rule that indeed Nano must do a recovery fork, this would be a very fascinating precedent to be set, and of course, perhaps a dangerous precedent. But you guys let me know what you think about this down in the comment section. Do you think it would be a good thing for a recovery fork to be forced by the courts, or is this massive unnecessary intervention? I'm more for the latter, but you guys let me know what you think about it. Over 50 teams have entered a £5 million Bitcoin Cash tokenization contest. This is, of course, Bitcoin Cash trying to bring tokenization to the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. Would be a very interesting turn of events if they get that pulled off. Lisk Core 1.0.0 open beta is released. The guys over at Naga have also launched their new Naga Wallet, of course, in coordination with the guys over at Changely. The Didge X marketplace is finally open. We've been waiting a long time for this one, but now, of course, you can actually go over there and get those Didge X gold-backed tokens. And Deep Brain Chain has redone their website. Nice, slick, new-looking website. Come over here and check it out if you want. Finally, we are doing a Ledger Wallet giveaway. The link's going to be in the description down below, along with all of the articles that we've talked about today. If you want to be in to win that Ledger Wallet, you got to come over here to Twitter and hit the retweet button. We'll be giving away this Sunday. And if you want to be in to win a t-shirt, a props t-shirt, write down in the comment section below with a yes, I want a t-shirt and your t-shirt size, and you can be in to win that. That is all from the Crypto Lark for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.